Hey guys, I just want to share two little updates I made to the Zombie web interface. And I know there is a new interface for this already, but I kind of like the old one and I just want to share these two little things. I talked about this before. So anyway, the first one, when you're under commands and you want to save your changes, when you click the save parameters button, nothing would happen really. But now I made it so that it jumps to the parameters and right away we can see that it wrote something, and then we can obviously clear it. So again, if we go to commands and click save parameters to flash, we now automatically move down the page to parameters. So I think that's pretty cool. And the other thing that I did is I added the ability to sort on name, the spot values, and also on value. So sometimes it was really difficult to find anything in here because they weren't even in alphabetical order. So now if we click on name, it sorts them alphabetically. I think that's pretty helpful. And if we click the column again, it will just sort them in reverse alphabetical order, as you can see. And then if we click on value, it will sort it on value. I don't think this is a perfect sort, but it works. So here we can see everything with a 0 value. You may not care about that. But then once you get to a section that there's values, this could be helpful because they end up being grouped together. And then as you go further, you can see all the ones that are just off, for instance. Anyway, I just want to share those two small changes, and just makes it that much nicer.